Good evening. My name is Lady Viviana Urrego Gomez. Student rights. Lady can participate in academic activities. Luis can previously know the criteria of evaluation of calendar activities Uniminuto academic. Lady can evaluate the teachers. Luis can get respect of the teachers and university workers. Lady can receive the wellness service that offers Uniminuto. Luis can respectfully submit requests and complaints. Luis can complete the training program that have been registered. Lady can know at the beginning of each period the program of each subject to be taken. Luis can have access to clear and prior information about university roles. Lady can deserve respect for the confidentiality of your personal data, your conduct, your academic records, and your health. Luis can freely express his ideas. Lady can get a fair deal. Lady can participate in the process of university decisions. Luis can complete the training program that have been registered. Lady can send requests and complaints with respect. Students that is. Luis has to comply with the political constitution of Colombia. Lady has to respect the character of Uniminuto as an institution of Catholic inspiration. Luis has to pay the tuition on time. Lady has to know the institutional education project. Luis has to participate in the academic activities that integrate the curriculum of their professional training. Lady has to enter the premises of the virtual platform in Uniminuto. Luis has to know and permanently consult the Uniminuto website. Lady must take care of the equipment, furniture, and materials and buildings of the university corporation. Luis has to respect the confidentiality and privacy of other members of the university community. Lady must use technology, computing, and Uniminuto communications only for academic purposes. Luis doesn't have to enter Uniminuto under effects of intoxicating, psychoactive substances or hallucinogenic. Lady doesn't have to into and distribute in Uniminuto to any title beverages or intoxicating substances, psychoactive or hallucinogenic. Luis doesn't have to enter Uniminuto carrying weapons of any nature. Lady has to correctly use the protocols of Laravel in the different virtual environments of electronic. Luis has to keep the registered information updated at the time of registration. Thank you.